And now moving to the industrial and logistics sector of the market. In the early part of 2014, take-up in this particular sector was somewhat disappointing. However, in the second half of the year, we saw bumper take-up, bringing total take-up in the Dublin industrial sector to over 325,000 square metres in the 12-month period, up 10% on the previous year. We think that the supply of good quality stock in this sector will dwindle further over the course of the next 12 months as occupiers continue to take space, with data centres, biopharmaceutical, food manufacturing companies being the most prevalent. Rents grew to some extent over the course of the last 12 months, but are expected to rise further in 2015. They start the year at approximately €65 per square metre, but are likely to increase to €75 per square metre over the course of the next 12 months. However, despite these rent increases, development will not be feasible in this sector at those sort of rental values. So we're not expecting to see any speculative development emerging over the next 12 months. We will, however, see some design and build projects being initiated. Some occupiers and developers are focusing on acquiring land, with sites around the M50 that are well serviced being in strong demand at the moment from developers hoping to develop industrial accommodation in due course. We're also seeing quite a lot of appetite for industrial investment opportunities as many investors move up the risk curve and look for higher yielding diversification opportunities. The challenge will, however, be to find good quality industrial investment product. That said, in general, we're expecting quite a lot of secondary trading to happen in the market this year, and that may well give rise to opportunities for industrial properties. Prime yields for industrial properties have the potential to contract further over the next 12 months. They're starting the year at approximately 6.75%, but have the potential to contract by up to 75 basis points to 6% by year end. So against a backdrop of strong domestic economic activities, which should see growth in indigenous activity in this sector in 2015, we're very confident for the prospects for the industrial and logistics sector in 2015.